weird. But I've never seen that before. Hey, they're wasting water.
The tuner was updating, so with the long tubes, it sounds so different. It's like so perfectly proportionate, and it just sounds good. Like, it does not sound horrible. It sounds real good. And of course, the clutch actually grabs, which is great. The tone is crazy. It just sounds so good on this car. Raspy from the inside, but from the outside, it's pretty loud. So today we're gonna link up with Abraham a little bit and show him the new car. He just got his Shelby back, so the snakes are finally back together. But we have the RXT clutch grabbing like it should. Alex BRZ. Alright, I don't know how loud this is gonna be. Let's see. It shouldn't be that loud, but then again, nobody is here, so it's dead quiet. It's bearable. It's not like sounding ugly. It sounds good. Kind of wakes up there, actually.
Yeah, I like it.
I haven't stepped on it though yet, so I don't know.
Well, driving normal is kind of quiet.
Yeah, I feel like when I step on it, it's gonna scream, and that's when it's gonna get loud. I just feel like in the lower RPMs, it doesn't get loud like it used to. Because remember when you
stickers are for, like,
yeah,
they're not supposed to be loud. That's just not loud until you step on it.
Yeah, that's true. I mean, you can hear it, like it's about to wake up. So imagine when you floor it, it probably.
Yeah, I think when you floor it, it's gonna sound tight.
You want to hear it?
Yeah.
I want to get your reaction.
Reaction?
It's not that loud.
Let's see. What's up, YouTube?
It's not that loud.
Let's see.
You're gonna think it's loud, but it's not. It just sounds different.
You're gonna think it's loud, but it's not.
What do you think? It sounds a little different.
Yeah, it's way louder.
Let's go for a ride around the block.
Let's go.
What do you think, though?
Yeah, I like it.
That's a nice tone, yeah?
It sure does.
It's deeper. It's like a deep, crisper tone. I don't know.
Yeah, where are the wheels at? Right here?
The weights fell off, bro.
How?
I don't know. They're just sitting there. They fell off. Dude, look. What's up, guys? So right now, what we are doing today is we met up with ChrisSVT. He's behind the camera. But we're going to be mounting the SVE drag wheels finally on the Cobra. I don't know if they're going to fit because last time we attempted putting 15s, it didn't fit because, well, what you need to do on these cars is get different, quick few questions about some issues that I'm having regarding my my device. Pretty much what I'm trying to do right now is get a new tune downloaded from my laptop onto the tuner, and it doesn't seem to be recognizing the device is there. Like it's just not sensing that it's there. You know, like if I plug it in with the USB and the micro one to the tuner, it doesn't show that it's good, like there.
What do you mean exactly?
I don't really know. I mean, like I said, okay, I have the computer.
When you hit it, automatically check for updates. What does it do exactly?
It says there's no device available. It says please connect it, and it's already connected.
So it says be sure your device is connected?
Yeah, and it's not, and it's connected, so I don't know what's going on. Actually, they look just as wide though.
Yeah, but the only thing is that these are more round.
No, it's more of a sidewall, yeah. Well, it's tucked better.
Yeah.
Alright, well, let's see. We'll see if it hits, yeah? I think it's gonna hit. If not, then I'll be super happy.
You should put tape or something.
Right there. Right there. Go. Wait. Oh, it cleared.
You're lying. Now spin it.
Wait. Hold up. It just has to
put
be
a couple bolts in. Put a couple bolts in. Look what someone just replied.
Oh, dude, that's close. Well, look how. Oh my God. Actually, that's not
Let
bad.
me see. Move your phone.
That's not bad.
That's not bad.
I mean,
Where's your creeper?
let me see.
That's enough. Yeah.
Double make sure. I'm being thorough, Chris.
Well, give me a piece of paper or something.
For what? To protect it?
In there. So, to show you it's still clearing.
Okay. It's close. I probably should. Huh? I'm gonna make sure it's in neutral. I'm gonna go backwards. Okay, we are in Chris's GT 500. I'm gonna get a picture with all the whips. There's the. She smells horrible. Why?
I don't like it.
You don't even know what. Well, yeah, because those are 18s. They're not 20s.
Oh.
20s only look good on your car.
That's true.
So pretty much the issue is the SCT device is not pairing up to the computer, which means I can't download the tune. So now we're waiting.
For the first time, you're gonna witness Alex SVT carrying something that's more than 5 pounds. Hurry up, hurry up. Yeah, there you go, my boy. I'm gonna go return this because he got a new one because that one had messed up. So shout out to Sunjo, they fixed the problem, gave him a new one, and told you it's not gonna fit.
Yeah, well,
all right, hurry up.
move the gimbal.
So we're gonna go return this at FedEx at Marketplace, and I'm down. So we're gonna go return that, then meet up with Abraham and Joel, and go to Joel's house. Then
Right now we're meeting up with the HH race squad, but we're not taking all the whips. We're missing a FOXBODY and some other stuff. Ooh, that glass roof lighting though. Okay guys, so we're in the Shelby. Dude, this thing's too loud.
I'm telling you.
Like you can barely get on it. It's like
That's what I'm telling you.
Like what the hell?
Yo sigo en mi camino.
Troqueando acá.
Aquí estoy para quedarme. En su piel para contarle.
You gotta put that part. When I'm telling you it spins, bro, it spins.
I know it spins.
No, but when I say it spins, bro, it spins. Just do it.
Yeah, she spins.
I told you.
Oh, I felt the Atlas. Doesn't hook at all.
At all, I'm telling you. Not even like 3rd gear, 4th gear. Well, obviously, if the RPMs are low, yeah, but. Oh, it's fucking loud. Nah, they'll hear it.
I do want to say I did feel the 2nd gear grind though.
Yeah.
And that's a common issue, right, on the Shelby's.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can definitely feel that. Joel's Fox got hit. The insurance people that are appraising it are gonna come through. And so we had to show up with the Shelby's because obviously that put some respect on our name, right?
Yeah.
Should we park next to the Shelby or what?
Yeah, in front.
In front?
Hi. Hi. What's up, bro?
What's up? What's up?
We're like hella tired.
How does it feel having her back again?
Feels good. I just wish I knew some of the detailed cars or something. Clean it up, you know.
Yeah, I wish we knew
I
someone.
mean, I wish I knew somebody that detailed.
Yeah.
You know. And just.
Oh, hey, I didn't know you were here. What's up, bro? Hey, it feels like your back window's painted charcoal gray
I can't
too.
even see it.
Chris, I haven't seen the driver mod in a long time.
I just barely.
I know. Dude, that shit's so loud. Dude, that's like the Borla Attack, but like louder.
Outside.
So we're just watching the GT500, getting that all cleaned up and waiting for Flo from Progressive to check out Joel's 5.0. So we got the Shelby right there, Chris right there, Joel right there, Abraham right there, Appraiser. And here's the GT500. Pretty much what's going on is the 5.0 right there is getting appraised because of some damage right there. But other than that, Chris, can we get a laptop for the one time? Shoot. Bro, I've never seen that before. Hey, they're wasting water. Hey, file a complaint against the city?
Bro. There's actually, I did do some downgrades. It's actually, a lot of damages to it. So, the entire actually. We're on one side.
Are you serious?
Yes.
My front left side.
Hey, Tyson, that's...
Who has the keys in the car?
I don't.
I'm gonna throw it just over there.